At the construction site, if we are welding a small wire head and it leaks, we should use 4 to 2 welding rods to repair it. When welding, we must use large current. Fire, when igniting, use continuous arc welding. When reaching the place with the largest leakage point, use rotating arc welding. This will prevent the wheel hole from being too large, causing the welding to fail. Here is a section of welding rod for everyone. Diameter, we use 423.2 welding rod. Old guys. This is the first welding process. After welding, we feel that the upper part is thinner. So we will repair it again. An S is the outer shape during welding. When welding, if you encounter a leaky spot, you must quickly repair this hole, as I have learned.